do here, just like how you will pass that particular ID from that employee to that employee component. Just I am going to create like something example, one text box, and once I am going to press that one button, so it will be redirect to here. So how you will do that? So just open that employee component.ts and HTML, that employee component. So here I am going to create one text box. So input type, that will be the text box. Okay, and going to give that one ID, that is just like a employee ID. Okay, and going to create one button. So here I'm going to make the break and going to create one button, just like a button. Type is equal to button. Okay, and so it will be the click event and pass value. I'm going to pass some. This one is a reference type variable, so that value I'm going to pass. So value will be pass as a parameter. Okay, let's see that once we are going to create that. So here it's like that. I'm going to enter here some value, so it should be redirect to that employee details with that this particular value. Now open that employee component.ts. So where is that employee component.ts? Here I'm going to create that method. What's the method name? Method name is pass value. So here the pass value, it will be the employee ID. Okay, and I'm going to redirect that import from angular dot router. It will be, what will be here, that will be the route. It will be the router, this one. Now I'm going to create here private router equal to router. Okay, so here how you will navigate this dot router dot navigate, just like you have to call that particular navigate. So bracket close, then you can use this one. Then what was the name of that? It will be the employee. So that one you will get from that your employee. So this one is the employee. Okay, just close. This one is that your employee. Then backslash. Now going to add plus your employee ID. Just that's all. Okay. Now open the browser. Let's see employee. Now I'm going to write here 100. It will become pass as a parameter. Click the pass as a parameter. So it's coming that in the employee details it's coming 100. Again, if you check that one 256, place that pass as a parameter, because this one is that in the employee component. This one is that you are in employee component. Like you can see here that employee was. So you are passing value from that employee component to that employee component details. So you can see. So here you can see here it's set to 256 and this value is and you are in employee details first. Now only we have done that. We are calling that the reference, that is a Angular router, that is a router, and only the router dot navigate. So particular that employee and then employee ID. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.